This is the GoPro Dual Charger and the Endure batteries. These are for the Hero 11. Let's open the box. Tips for weather performance. This is the Dual Charger. We've got one battery. There's this piece sticking out of here and I first thought you had to remove it, but this is just to pull out your battery easy. Second battery. So you can put these in here for charging. Here we go. And then here, this department. We've got the last thing, which is a USB to USB-C connector, and this back has a USB-C connector which you can attach it to. So you can either load these batteries with USB, or you can have this adapter from USB to power socket to load these batteries. One thing to note is that this thing is a little bit more expensive than 2 batteries, but not much. So I do recommend buying this over just 2 new batteries, because then you can charge them at the same time as well. And it's not that much more expensive. If the light's green, the battery is full. If it's orange, it's not full yet. So that's a good thing to pay attention to.